Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make the easiest slow cooker chicken thighs that is full of the bone delicious. This is perfect for those days when you don't know what to cook because it's so easy. Let's get started. I have 5 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs arranged in my slow cooker. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken thighs with salt and black pepper to taste. Next, we're going to add 6 cloves of minced garlic to the chicken thighs. We're also going to sprinkle a 1/3 cup of brown sugar all over the chicken thighs. And last, we're going to place 3 tablespoons of sliced butter onto the chicken. I cut the butter into 5 slices and I'm placing each slice onto each chicken. Place the slow cooker lid on. Then we're going to slow cook the chicken for 4 hours on high. Here is the chicken when it's all done slow cooking. As simple as this recipe is, it has so much delicious flavor. The chicken is full of the bone, tender and juicy. I served it with some roasted carrots and a baked sweet potato. The sauce on the chicken is so good, especially when you drench the sauce with the sweet potato. This is such an easy, delicious recipe. If you want to make it, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.